In this video, we will be introduced with several types of quadrilaterals. The most common types of quadrilaterals are rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium and kite. We will know about them in this video. First of all, rectangle. The definition of rectangle is the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. This side is called length. This side and this side are equal. This side and this side is equal. This is called length and these sides are called breadth or width. Each angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. And area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Area means the total space it takes. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter means the total surrounding boundary of the shape. Now the second type, square. Square is such a type of quadrilateral where each side is same. Let's call each side as A and each interior angle is 90 degree. And the area of a square is A into A. That means A square. The total space it takes is A square. And the perimeter of a square is 4A. A plus A plus A plus A. Total length of this boundary is 4A. Now let's talk about rhombus. Each side of a rhombus are equal, but the difference with square is no interior angle is 90 degree. But there is a fact that this angle and this angle, these are supplementary. If we call this angle theta 1 and if I call this angle theta 2, theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 180 degree. And if this angle is theta 1, this is also theta 1. Opposite angles are same. If this angle is theta 2, this is also theta 2. Opposite angles are same but not 90 degree. And adjacent angles are supplementary. That means if we add two adjacent angles, theta 1 plus theta 2, we will get 180 degree. If we add this angle and this angle, theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 180 degree. Now what about its area and perimeter? Its perimeter is just like the perimeter of square, 4A. A plus A plus A plus A, 4A. And what about the area? Area equals to half into D1 into D2. What is D1? What is D2? I can't see any D1 or D2 in this picture. So we need to draw D1 and D2. This diagonal is D1 and this diagonal is D2. In rhombus, the multiplication of diagonal multiplied by half, then we get the area. The diagonals of a rhombus intersects each other at 90 degree. Now parallelogram. Each opposite side of a parallelogram is equal. This side equal to this side equal to this side. And no right angle inside. This angle is not any 90 degree. This angle is neither any 90 degree. This one not 90 degree. This one not 90 degree. No angle is 90 degree. And adjacent angles are supplementary. If we call this angle theta 1 and if we call this angle theta 2, theta 1 plus theta 2 will be 180 degree. And the opposite angles are equal. If this one is theta 1, this will also be theta 1. If this is theta 2, this will also be theta 2. And what about the area? Area of a parallelogram is base into height. If we consider this length as base, the perpendicular distance of two parallel sides, we will call it a height. So the area is base into height. And what about the perimeter? Perimeter equal to 2 into A plus B. If we call these sides as A and these sides as B, so the perimeter is the addition of this plus this plus this plus this equals to 2 into A plus B, just like the rectangle. And why this shape is called parallelogram? Because this line is parallel to this line and this line is parallel to this line. So the main characteristics of a parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now trapezium. What about trapezium? Only one pair of lines are parallel. This line and this line, they are parallel, but these two are not parallel. And what about the area of it? The area is half into A plus B into H. If we call the parallel sides as A and B, and if the height between the parallel sides or the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is H, then the area of a trapezium will be half into a plus b into h. Now the last one, kite. Kite looks like this. The adjacent sides of a kite are equal. This side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. And the area of a kite is half into d1 into d2. That means if we call this diagonal as d1 and we call this diagonal as d2, then the area is half into d1 into d2. And these diagonals will intersect at 90 degree, just like rhombus.